Industrial chic style has grown massively in popularity because it strikes that perfect balance between modern minimalism and raw authenticity. The key to this aesthetic is embracing materials in their natural state: rusted metals, aged wood, exposed hardware, and factory-inspired textures. Hello! Welcome back to Kuki Décor, the channel where creativity meets craftsmanship. Here, we bring you fresh DIY furniture and decor inspiration every single day. So if you're passionate about turning simple materials into stunning pieces, you're in the right place. In this video, we are diving deep into the world of industrial chic wall art, a style where raw materials, rugged textures, and handcrafted character come together to create decor pieces that are bold, modern, and beautifully imperfect. Whether you're someone who loves working with wood and metal, or you're simply looking for unique ideas to elevate your walls, this episode will guide you step by step as we turn ordinary scraps into stunning works of art. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Décor and join our daily community of makers. You don't want to miss the fresh ideas we upload every day. Transforming scrapped materials into stylish home decor has become more than just a creative hobby today. It's a movement driven by people who love personality, sustainability, and design that tells a story. This video celebrates the beauty of using scrapped items that most people overlook, showing how every dent, groove, and rust mark can actually add character to a wall art piece. The magic lies in letting these materials tell their own stories while shaping them into something beautiful, functional, and unique. As we explore each idea, think about the random scraps you might have lying around: metal pipes, leftover planks, broken hinges, discarded sheet metal, bolts, nuts, or even pieces of wire. Every little bit has potential. Let's begin with one of the most popular ideas in industrial chic decor: the layered wood and metal panel design. This involves selecting wooden planks, old pallet boards, barn wood strips, or any scrap wood you have, and arranging them in a visually appealing layout like diagonal slants, horizontal beams, or geometric compositions. Once your wood base is ready, elevate the design by overlaying metal elements such as flat strips, mesh grid, circular cutouts, or industrial brackets. The contrast between warm, textured wood and cold, sleek metal creates visual depth, making even a simple panel look like something straight out of a high-end decor store. You can keep the wood raw for a rustic feel, or stain it darker for a refined industrial vibe. The metal can be left naturally weathered or painted matte black to intensify the contrast. Next, let's explore sculptural metal shapes mounted on reclaimed wood. If you have random metal leftovers, twisted rods, tool parts, broken brackets, or cutout shapes, this is the perfect way to turn them into statement art. Start with a thick piece of reclaimed wood as your base, preferably one with rich natural grain or a slightly distressed texture. Shape your metal pieces into curves, angles, or abstract patterns, then mount them using strong screws. These sculptural elements cast beautiful shadows once mounted on the wall, giving your piece incredible dimension. You can even create a set of 3 coordinated panels to display side by side for a more gallery-inspired look. Now let's talk about metal grid and frame-style wall art, one of the most underrated ways to use scrap materials. Old metal grills, window frames, fencing mesh, or ventilation screens can be turned into stunning foundations for your art. Combine these grids with small pieces of wood, such as wooden tiles, carved blocks, or thin strips, to create interesting patterns. The metal grid acts like a modern canvas, while the wood inserts become the highlights. Painting the grid in metallic finishes like brushed steel or antique bronze enhances the industrial feel, making the artwork look modern and stylish. Another beautiful idea is crafting industrial silhouette panels. This involves cutting shapes from scrap sheet metal, leaves, gears, city skylines, arrows, or abstract patterns, and mounting them on stained wood boards. Dark backgrounds make the metal silhouette stand out, while light wood creates a more subtle look. These silhouette panels work especially well in hallways, living rooms, and office spaces because they are bold yet clean in design. If you want a project that feels both industrial and vintage, try making clock-inspired mechanical wall art. Using old gears, washers, saw blades, or circular metal scraps, you can design an artistic composition that resembles machinery from old factories. Mount the elements on a round or square wood panel, creating a pattern that looks like interconnected gears in motion. You don't need to make a functioning clock. The visual style alone brings strong industrial energy to the room. Another brilliant idea is pipe and plank art, which uses leftover metal pipes or plumbing pieces combined with wood panels. These pipes can be arranged in geometric shapes like diamonds, rectangles, ladders, or zigzag patterns. When mounted on wood, they create a striking mechanical look. You can polish the pipes, paint them, or leave them raw depending on the atmosphere you want. Polished metal feels refined, while rusted pipes give a vintage industrial edge. For those who love bold, textured pieces, consider creating rust and stain contrast art. Choose a piece of heavily weathered metal and pair it with stained wood. Mounting rusted sheet metal onto polished wood creates a stunning high-contrast design. It's edgy, stylish, and looks like something from a modern art gallery. This style is perfect for industrial lofts, studio apartments, or modern minimal homes that want a touch of raw texture. If you enjoy working with shapes, the wood and metal geometric mosaic is a fantastic project. Cut scrap wood into triangles, diamonds, squares, or irregular shapes, then arrange them into a mosaic design. Add thin metal strips, nails, or rods between sections to outline certain shapes and highlight patterns. This combination results in a visually captivating piece that easily becomes the centerpiece of any room. Now let's explore industrial signage and message boards, a great way to personalize your decor. Use a reclaimed wood base and add metal letters from old machinery, metal cutouts, or hand-shaped pieces. You can spell names, motivational words, house numbers, or meaningful quotes. Seal the final piece with varnish or oil to enhance the colors and textures. This idea is perfect for entryways, offices, cafes, bedrooms, or creative studios. For a nature-inspired twist, you can make industrial botanical wall art. Using metal leaves, branches, or floral cutouts mounted on wood creates decor that feels both earthy and modern. The contrast between natural forms and industrial textures adds depth and elegance. Rusted metal leaves combined with dark-stained wood look especially artistic and warm. Shadowbox-style industrial art is another impressive project. Build a wooden box frame and fill it with interesting metal scraps, bolts, gears, nails, chains, or other small items. Arrange them creatively to form patterns or abstract textures. The depth of the shadowbox allows light to create dynamic shadows, giving your art a fascinating three-dimensional effect. You can even experiment with fire-treated wood paired with polished metal. Burning wood lightly brings out dramatic grain patterns, which look stunning next to smooth or shiny metal pieces. This creates a luxurious yet raw industrial chic design that feels both modern and grounding. As we wrap up, remember that industrial chic decor is all about embracing imperfections. Scratched surfaces, dents, rust marks, and uneven textures aren't flaws, They are what make the material feel real and full of character. You don't need expensive tools or perfect materials. All you need is imagination, creativity, and the willingness to turn scraps into something meaningful. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial on Kuki Décor. We post new videos every single day, packed with creative ideas to transform wood, metal, and reclaimed materials into beautiful home decor. If you enjoyed this industrial chic wall art project, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts or requests in the comments. Your support helps us continue bringing daily inspiration to makers around the world. Stay creative, stay inspired, and we'll see you tomorrow with another brand new DIY idea, only here on Kuki Décor.